Package a day, keep the doctors away. And this time the package is from Divoom. It's a Pixoo Sling Bag, and this is exactly what I need. And yeah, let's open it up. Oh, by the way, I'm using my new GoPro Hero 10, so we'll see what happened. It's really nicely packaged. It's a bag within a box with resealable plastic bag, so it can be reused for something else as well. Wow, the sling bag quality is immense. It looks very luxurious with very nice stitching all around. Very modern, extremely high quality. And this sells for about 130 Canadian dollars on Amazon. So yeah. Oh, I can't wait to actually start this thing. Even the zipper looks nice. Divoom logo over here. The yellow accents. Oh, and this is a highly reflective material, so it can be seen easily when you walk around at night. Open it up. This is the cable, the USB cable that you need to connect to a USB rechargeable battery. And you put it inside here, and this screen will play back the segmented LED with animation. The bag capacity seems to be very big. Keychain here. And the sub bag, the internal pockets there. Mesh or net can be opened, so I can put my cables and things like that. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's see what happened here when I connect a battery to that USB cable. Oh, nice. So it's starting the screen. We've got Michael Jackson there. And then now I'm gonna turn on the Divoom app for my phone. So we just see the available device, click the Pixoo Sling Bag, and now it's connected. So let's explore this together. Want to open the Divoom app. And then of course Now we have to search for the Divoom Pixoo Sling Bag. It says that it's connected now. And see what can we do. And there are galleries here showing that showing a type of animation that we can download. And see what else can I do. There's a stopwatch here. Click stopwatch. I can start the stopwatch. See there. There's a text editor. Let's say I want to type unscripted. Done. And then playback. Here. You can see that. Unscripted. This is so cool. Click done. And then you see here. It says Divoom Pixoo. I think this is what I'm going to use the most. It's great for my channel. There's game. So you can play games here. Can play Flappy Bird. Oh, I'm dead. Can play Snake. Oh, I just killed myself. Okay, I'm really I really suck at gaming. What else do I want to do? I can create my own animation. So this frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, frame 4, and so on and so forth. But again, I suck at it. So I will just download pre-animated animation from the site. There's more here. Oh, there's a countdown meter. I need this sometimes. Oh, you just have to scroll. Say I want countdown 5 seconds. I click OK. And then start. 2, 1. That's the countdown. There's a notification function as well. Here are a slew of notification app that this is compatible with, including Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, even text message. Too bad it doesn't have YouTube app. Overall, I love this product. High quality, low price, and yeah, it can be completely personalized to my liking, and it's good for promoting my channel as well. There's nothing not to like about this product. You might as well get the best quality at $120 price, can deliver anyway. So I highly recommend this. Buy this unit, and I'll be using this pretty much all my video in the future. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.